Hi, I'm Jo from the Lurgan District Learning Centre, and I was talking to my two wee pals here, and they were telling me that some people don't sew or don't have a sewing machine. I know, I couldn't believe it either. But they did say that maybe I should do a little video on how to make something that doesn't involve sewing. So I came up with these Christmas stars, these little hanging Christmas stars. So there's two there in two different sizes that I've put back to back, stuck back to back. That is one size. That is another size. And you can do an even smaller one. There's a link down below that you can print off your template, and you're going to cut with paper scissors. And because I've been wrapping Christmas presents recently, I had some wrapping paper left over. So I just drew onto the back of that and made that star. Isn't it cute? And that's going to go on my tree. I'll show you how to do it just now. So I've printed off my template and I've cut it out using paper scissors. Then I took some wrapping paper. If you're like me right now, I'm wrapping up presents, and I've drawn the template onto the back of here, and I'm going to cut it out. And I'm going to fold this in half 5 times. So from the point to the bottom, that's where you're going to fold it. So matching up these edges and crease really well. And you just do that 5 times. And that should be at 5 times. Now, these lines here that go out to these points is your next fold. So you're going to fold the bottom up. So this corner here meets that point there, and that corner meets that point there, and then you've still got your line up the middle, and you do that 5 times. So this corner goes to this line here, that's straight up the middle, and that corner is on that line there, and fold it. Done that one. Okay, so now you're going to fold this one in and this one up, the bottom one up, and you're going to have this flappy bit. Make sure that's folded properly. Hold on, there we go. And this one in, and you're going to have this flappy bit here. So what you're going to do is just push it over and crease that bit there, and you're going to do that 5 times. So this one over, this one up, and push that over, this one over, this one up, over, And that's all 5 done. Now if anybody's ever put up a pop-up tent or tried to put it back down again, you kind of have that same motion with your wrists. So you kind of twist and push and pull all these things in. So what you're trying to do is, when you're pushing that one out, and go and turn it round and push it. And you have to play about with this sometimes. And then all of a sudden it'll just pop into place. Because this one needs to get pushed in and out. It's coming, there we go, there's it. Okay, turn it over and give it a good crease. Now this is why you don't use thick card, you use thin paper. If you can see the centre, it's all creased. You can see right in the centre. And you're going to take this edge here and you're going to fold it right into that corner, into that centre piece, and crease that bit. Now you're not coming along here and folding it so it's like that. You're folding it straight in. And then you're going to turn it and do the same. Right into the centre again. And crease. And this one in and crease. And this one in and crease. The last one is slightly different. You have to kind of open this up a bit. Open this one. Fold that in. And crease. And you can fold that one back over. And there's your star. If you make two the same, you can put them together. Here's some I made. This one, I made a smaller version. You can actually pop that onto the back and glue that in position. Or here's one the same size but a different colour. And you can either have them double-sided and glue them together like that, or you can offset them. I would open this up, use a hole punch and put a hole in there, a bit of string, tie it up. Beautiful.